नमस्कार, मैं आपका कंप्यूटर टीचर आपकी ऑनलाइन क्लास में। आज का टॉपिक है नेटवर्क बेसिक। इस चैप्टर को मैं कई सेशन में बांटा हूँ। आज हम सेशन 1 में जो टॉपिक क्लियर करेंगे वो सारी टॉपिक्स हैं। फिलहाल वो 3 टॉपिक्स हैं जो इस सेशन में हम क्लियर करेंगे। About basic networks. Topic 1, network, basic concept of network. Second topic है computer network. Third topic है needs and importance of network. Advantages. आइए पहली टॉपिक पे चलते हैं। पहली टॉपिक है basic concept of network. Network. First of all, this word is not related to the computer. Even we are using these terms in our daily lives, which shrunken the walls and brought people together. There are few examples like network of roads, network of railways, network of rivers. Even though there are more examples like network of communication. In family also there are so many types of communications that are based on network or relations. When two or more things connect together to communicate is known as network in general way. Okay, next topic is computer network. Now we are going to understand the term network in the term of computer. It is the interconnection between two or more computers in such a way that they communicate with each other by sharing data and resources. Sharing data means whatever we are receiving or sending the files and folders. Resources means our printer, our scanner, mic, speaker, all these things. Now the process of connecting computer together is known as networking. Note, as we know that internet is the example of largest network of the computer in world. It's true. Now we know that N1, N2, N3, N4, N5, N6. These are the computer connecting the network. Each computer in the network is called node. Here in the figure it is given. Just see that. Now last topic, or third topic of this session, need and importance of network. As we know that nowadays some of the advantages of the computer network play important role in today's lives. These advantages arises the need and importance of computer network, and it become a vital part of any organization, such as sharing resources. All the computers in a network can share resources such as printer, fax, machines, modems and scanner. Next one is file sharing and remote database access. We can easily share or access the file stored on various computers on a network on the data stored in database. And the last, easy of communication. It allows people to communicate through emails and instant messaging facilities. This is very important advantage or importance which led the network to spread all over the world. In this make the transmission of information very easier and more efficient and less expensive. It cut the cost. It minimize all the expenses, and we are easily connect in any part or any vital organization anywhere, and it also ensure the security of data. Means whatever the data we are sharing while this network are safe and secure until unless we are not sharing it with unauthorized person. Hope so you are able to get understand this video. With this video, thank you for watching my effort this video. We meet in next session 2, with few topics, next topics of this chapter, and I will give you some activities or exercises also. Go through session wise